So this latest cry are more like an admission by the JFF that with the World Cup qualifiers on the immediate horizon, the local sponsors are still not forthcoming, with a $1 billion Jamaican dollar budget staring them in the face. Now, first of all, $1 billion. That is 1,000 million Jamaican dollars for 14 games. That is over $70 million per game. Anyway, make we work with $1 billion. Despite some 1.6 million US dollars in funding from the CFU, there is still a significant shortfall in the World Cup budget. And with the expected wagonist buzz basically negated by the COVID crisis, it is hardly likely that the JFF will get the projected sponsorship needed. But guess what? We cannot throw our hands up in the air because all the countries have to deal with the adverse conditions of the pandemic. At the end of the day, we have 14 qualifying games, 11 versus 11, to try and get between 25 and 30 points from the 42 available. And we qualify for the World Cup. That is the simplicity of the equation. When the 32 teams line up in Qatar next year, no one will remember sponsorship or even COVID-19. So again, we want to leave this with the JFF, the coaching staff, and the reggae boys themselves going into the qualifiers. Blood, sweat, and tears, cuts and bruises, but absolutely no excuses.